Step into a world where Christmas is pink, merry, and full of elf-made magic. Introducing our Santa's Pink and Merry Elf Workshop Collection. Spread cheer the pink and playful way. Our holiday cards make every message feel magical. Make every gift a little more magical with our whimsical, hand-illustrated wrapping paper, designed to bring sparkle and joy to your holiday moments. The perfect, tiny detail to make your gifts shine, our gift tags. Snuggle up with our whimsical decor pillows, then sip in style with the cutest holiday mugs. It's Christmas the pink and merry way. Unwrap a world of pink sparkle, charming elves, and hand-drawn holiday cheer. Explore the full collection of festive magic, available only at Moodthology Papery on Zazzle. Follow us on social media to see more of our hand-drawn designs and the illustration process behind each creation.